Running a restaurant today isn't simple.
Multiple systems, endless coordination, constant pressure.
What if everything worked as one? Introducing PosBytz 2.0, your all-in-one ERP for modern restaurant businesses.
Manage everything from a single platform.
Multilingual supports, including Arabic.
Point of sales install in any Windows, Android, and iPad devices, and works offline. Fast billing, real-time table management, seamless order flow across every channel, from dine-in to takeaway to online orders, including delivery aggregators, integrations from Talabat, Kita, Noon, and many more in your POS. Accept all online orders in the POS. Build your own brand with online presence to serve your customers. Direct with our online ordering website and delivery app. Keep your kitchen in sync with live order updates, reduce errors, speed up service, and deliver a better experience every time.
Track inventory across multiple outlets in real time. Monitor stock levels, reduce wastage, and stay ahead with smart alerts.
Now manage your inventory with ease with our recipe management from ingredients grouping, recipe grouping, and recipes. You can see the food costing live with all the ingredients and recipe costs. Production module will help you with production planning and execution, recipe and ingredient management, food cost and trimming cost, and many more. CRM.
Turn first-time customers into loyal regulars. Automate campaigns across WhatsApp, email, and SMS, and build stronger relationships with every interaction. Automate customer feedbacks and post Google reviews to gain more visibility confidence for new customers. Manage your books efficiently with our integrated accounting module, giving you real-time insights into your profit and loss, balance sheets, and trial balance. From accounting to analytics, get complete control of your business in one place. Enhance your customer experience with QR ordering and self-service kiosks. Faster, smarter, and contactless. With over 9 years of industry expertise since 2017, PosBytz has grown into a global platform with 100+ partners across 30+ countries. PosBytz 2.0, built to simplify, designed to scale.